Hello children, welcome back to maths class. Hope all are fine and safe at home. What are the things we have studied in the previous classes? We have studied about large numbers, isn't it? We have studied about large numbers, their number names, expanded form, place value, face value. Then we have studied another system of numeration, that is the international system of numeration. Then we have learned about rounding of numbers to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, and at last we have studied the Roman numerals. Okay, these are the things we have learned in the first chapter. Then today we are going to study the second chapter, that is the addition and subtraction of large numbers. Addition and subtraction of large numbers. First we are going to do the addition of large numbers. Okay, you know that we have learned in the small classes how to add the numbers. We can add two or more numbers, isn't it? You have studied the addition of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Okay, therefore then in this chapter we are going to add 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, that is addition of large numbers. Okay, then addition means what? Do you remember addition means what? We are counting two or more things together. We are finding the total of many things. That time we are adding the numbers, isn't it? Therefore, and what's the answer in addition? Do you remember that? The answer in addition is known as sum, isn't it? The answer in addition is known as sum. Okay, and which symbol we are using? That plus sign, no? That is the symbol used for addition. Okay, let's do some questions or addition of large numbers. Addition is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. Okay, the addition of 2 or more numbers results in the total amount or sum of those values combined. Then here are some questions. We are going to find the sum of these numbers. Okay, what is the first question? How do you read this number? It is 24,573 plus 45,690. How many digits are there in the first number? There are 5 digits plus another 5-digit number. Okay, let's do that one. When you add the numbers, you have to give some gap in between the digits. Then plus 45,690. Okay, then how do you write the number? You have to write the digits, the same place digit, one below the other. This 3 is in 1's place, 7 is in 10's place, 5 is in 100's place, and 4 is in 1000's place, 2 is 10,000's place. Okay, in 3rd standard we have write the places on top of the numbers, but this year onwards we are going to add the big numbers, therefore no need to write these places. Okay, therefore without writing the places we can just write the numbers. Only thing is you have to write the digits in the correct places. Okay, 1's place digits should be in one line, 10's place digit should be in one line, like that, one below the other, like that. Then how do we do? We have to add the digits in the 1's place first. Okay, when we are doing addition, we have to start from the right side. We have to start from the right side, this side. Okay, this is the right side. Therefore, when we are adding numbers, we have to start from the right side. That means starting from the 1's place digit. 0 plus 3. What is 0 plus 3? 0 plus 3 is 3 itself. Okay. Then next one is add the 10's place digits. 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is? Do you remember the addition table? It's better if you use the addition table for the addition. Okay, when you add, if you use the table, it's easy for you. Therefore, start studying the addition table. Okay, Therefore 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. And which digit we have to write here? The 6, the ones place digit 6 we need to write, and one remainder is there. That remainder we should write on top of the hundreds place digit. Okay. Therefore, then next add the digits in the hundreds place. What are they? 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then 11 plus that remainder. 11 plus 1 is 12. Again one remainder is there now. Therefore, write the remainder on top of that thousands place. Then 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 right here. Then again remainder is there. Okay, remainder 1. Then 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, therefore we got the answer. How do we read that number? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Therefore, the number is 70,263. That's a sum of 24,573 and 45,690 is 70,263. Okay. Then second question, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are 6 digit numbers. 6 digit numbers. How do we read the number? How do we read? Which are the places? This is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, then lakh. Therefore, the number is 5,30,821 plus. Like that way, how do we read this number? This is also 2,34,178. Then we need to find the sum of these two numbers. First, write the first number. 5,30,821 plus then 2,34,178. Okay, when you write down the numbers for adding, you have to remember the same place digit should be one below the other. Ones place digit should be one below the other. This is the column for ones place. This 2 and 7, they are in the tens place. 8 and 1 in the hundreds place. 0 and 4 in the thousands place. 3 and 3 are in the, both the 3's are in 10,000s place, and 5 and 2 are in the lakhs place. Therefore, you have to remember when you write the numbers for addition, how to look at the places. The same place digit should be one below the other. Okay. Then add the numbers. First add ones place digits. Starting from the right side only. You have to remember that one. Remember that thing. When we add, we should start from the right side only. Okay. Then 8 plus 1. The ones place digits are 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then add the digits in the tens place. 7 and 2. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Again, hundreds place digit. What are they? 1 and 8. Sum of 1 and 8. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Next, 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 itself. Then 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then the lakhs place, add the lakhs place digits. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, we got the sum. How do we read that number? To read the number, first put the commas. Ones, tens and hundreds, put a comma. 1,000, 10,000, put a comma. Then we can read this number as 7,64,999. That number is the sum of 5,30,821 and 2,34,178. Okay. Then third question. In the third question, the first number contains 6 digits and the second number contains 5 digits. Therefore, how do we write that number? First write the first number. First number is 3,42,688 plus. Then in the second number there are only 5 digits. Therefore, when we write the numbers, you start from the right side. 3, 5, 6, 5, 7. Then the third question is 3,42,688 plus 75,653. Okay, let's do that addition. 3,42,688 plus then 75,653. There are only 5 digits and the first number contains 6 digits. Therefore, start writing the digits from the right side. 3, 5, 6, 5, 7. Okay, then do the addition. First add the digits in the ones place. 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? 3 plus 8 is 11. Write 1. Then remainder 1 is here. Then next add the tens place digits. 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is, what is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 is 14. Then also remainder 1 right on top. Then next hundreds place digit. 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is, what is 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. Remainder 1. Then 5 plus 2. Next place. Thousands place digits. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 10,000 place digits. 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is, 7 plus 4 is 11. Then remainder 1. Then add 3 and this remainder. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, we got the sum. It is 4,18,341. Therefore, we got the answer. Then next question. Question number D. 1,47,283 plus 2,54,562. Okay, first write them. 1,47,283 plus 2,54,562. Okay, let's do that one. What to do first? First, add the digits in the ones place. That is the digits in the rightmost place. That is 2 and 3. The digits are 2 and 3. Add them. 2 plus 3 is, 2 plus 3, 5. Yes. Then add the tens place digits. 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is, 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. Remainder 1. Then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is, 4 plus 7 is 11. Remainder 1. Then 5 plus 4. Next place. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Remainder 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. We got the sum. Then the number is 4,01,845. Okay. So, did you understand how to add the numbers 5 digit and 6 digit? You have to write the numbers and one below the places should be same place, digit should be one below the other, and do the addition from the right side. Right side means this side. Start from this side, right side. Okay. Okay, the answers are given here. You have to write this in the notebook. These 4 questions you have to write in the notebook. Then there are some homework. Let us try 2.1. Question number 1, B, C and D. Write in the notebook. Okay children, this is for today's class. Okay.